In my jackpad adapter review, I mentioned that one of the jackpad adapters was one that I made myself. In this video, we're going to make one. Here are the three components needed to make the adapter. 6-ounce hockey pucks, rubber bumpers, and number 10 1.5-inch wood screws. The first thing we need to do is to drill a pilot hole in the center of the hockey puck. I'm just using some blue painter's tape. Then I use a ruler to find the center of the hockey puck. Doesn't have to be super accurate. Using a power drill with a small bit, I think this was 1/8 of an inch, drill through the center of the hockey puck. Try not to go all the way through. After removing the blue painter's tape, I had threaded the screw through the rubber bumper, and at this point you can attach it to the center of the hockey puck. For this first hockey puck, I just used a regular screwdriver. Here's another view when I did the second hockey puck. Of course, if you need to see where to get these components, I listed them in the video description. And this is the third one that I did. In all, I did 4 of these adapters using the hockey puck, rubber bumpers, and wood screws. This project cost about $20 and seems well worth it. Pretty easy project and a pretty good result. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.